Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello and welcome to our video about dental implant placement. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about dental implants, including what they are, the benefits of getting dental implants, and the process of getting them placed. What are dental implants? Dental implants are artificial tooth rods that are surgical, placed into your jawbone to replace missing teeth. They are typically made of titanium or other metals that are compatible with the human body. Once the implant is placed, a crown, bridge, or denture can be attached to the implant to replace the missing tooth or teeth. Benefits of dental implants. Dental implants offer many benefits, including improved appearance, improved speech, and improved oral health. They also help prevent bone loss in the jaw and can improve your ability to chew and eat properly. Dental implants are a long-term solution for missing teeth and are often more comfortable and convenient than other tooth replacement options. The process of getting dental implants. The process of getting dental implants typically involves several steps. First, your dentist will perform a thorough examination to determine if you are a good candidate for dental implants. This may include taking X-rays or CT scans of your jawbone to evaluate the bone density and quality. If you are a good candidate for dental implants, the next step is to place the implant into your jawbone. This is typically done under local anesthesia, and the implant is placed directly into the jawbone through a small incision in the gum tissue. Once the implant is in place, it will need time to heal and fuse with the jawbone, a process called osseointegration. This can take several months. After the implant has fused with the jawbone, a second surgery may be necessary to attach a post or abutment to the implant. This post will serve as a connection point for the final restoration, which could be a crown, bridge, or denture. Conclusion: dental implant placement is a safe and effective way to replace missing teeth and improve your oral health. If you are considering dental implants, be sure to talk to your dentist to see if you are a good candidate and to discuss the best treatment options for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.